African Heritage Women in Education and Empowerment, Ahwee, is a non-governmental organization based in the United States of America committed to improving lives in the rural areas. The NGO Ahwee collaborates with Family Empowerment and Youth Reorientation Path Initiative (FEREB) and other international partners to provide healthcare, shelter, and means of livelihood to the poor rural women and the vulnerable in the villages. The president of the NGO, Etop Okokon, while presenting a wheelchair and other items to the people, disclosed that her mother, whom she named the permanent health care after, inspired her to do things that will improve the lives of widows and the less privileged. She thanked the First Lady and other partners of her NGO for their support, revealing that the healthcare center will be turned into a full hospital in future.
Any services here is for free. Always remember my church and these people praying and with not really medical checkup. So I support them. In my mind, I said I will turn this place to a full clinic. Since I'm in America, they can't be doing all those even though God is helping them.
The elders of the church, they were my comforter. So as God has guided us and lead us to everything, we'll be successful. Then I promise that any place I go, if God spare my life, I will not forget this place.
The First Lady of Akwa Ibom State, Mata Udomi Emmanuel, commended the president of Ahwee for remembering her people in the villages and advised them to protect the facility provided for them.
This is something that everybody should emulate. When God blesses you, you should give back. What this demonstrates is we should show love to one another. That is what Etop has done today. Okay, you don't want money. So in your own little way, get to it for you. Be kind to one another.
Using that platform, definitely I will liaise with the Chairman of the Council to make sure that security-wise, that these facilities is completely protected.
Some of the beneficiaries commended the NGO for the gesture.
Our father appreciates Ahwee, African Heritage Empowerment Organization, the NGO that is championing this cause. It is true that it is good to serve, but this service is the best.
Our treatment very well. This is my baby. I born for this, and I enjoy it.
I remember the time I didn't go to church, but now I'm a full member because of this machine. Any place I go, I do my business.
And this clinic here is mainly maternity, but we handle other cases. We take care of the women and everything is free. I so thank God for the grace God has given her to bring this kind of projects.
And I want to thank the vision of the founder of this place, because it's in key with what the government has been propagating. That's bringing healthcare to the rural area and affordable also.
The African Heritage Women in Education and Empowerment provided pantry foods, permanent healthcare center, shelter for the homeless, and 30 plots of land for widows' farm, where farm produce are harvested to support the rural poor. From Nsit, Ibom, John Paul Alumona, Nsit.